name is Jilan and I'll walk you through the process of creating gift cards. So gift cards are great for attracting customers and boosting your sales frequency. So to create one, first you can click the side menu and select point of sale. Then choose gift cards and click on the new gift card button. And each gift card should be a unique number, for example 105, and enter the amount. Then select an expiry date, and then you can add the reason why it's given in the remarks, for example Eid special. Then select create. And that's how you create a gift card in Ewity. Thanks for watching and thank you for using Ewity Point of Sale.